12 things you should never refrigerate tomatoes. Cold temps ruin the flavor and texture of tomatoes, making them mealy and dull. Potatoes. The starch turns to sugar in the fridge, which affects both the taste and texture. Store them in a cool, dark place instead. Onions. Refrigeration makes them mushy and moldy. They need dry, ventilated storage, preferably away from potatoes. Garlic. It will sprout and become rubbery in the fridge. Keep it in a dry, ventilated container. Bread. The fridge makes it stale faster because of the crystallization of starch molecules. Freeze it instead for long-term storage. Avocados. When unripe, refrigeration halts ripening. Leave them at room temp until soft and refrigerate only if needed. Honey. It crystallizes and becomes hard in the fridge. It's naturally preserved and shelf-stable. Bananas. The cold breaks down cell walls and turns the peel brown faster, though it doesn't affect the fruit inside right away. Coffee, both beans or ground. It absorbs odors and moisture from the fridge, which affects the flavor. Store in an airtight container in a cool cabinet. Basil. This herb wilts quickly in cold temperatures and absorbs fridge odors. Treat it like fresh flowers in water at room temp. Melons when unripe. Refrigerating them before they ripen stops the development of antioxidants and flavor. Keep them on the counter until ripe. Hot sauce. Vinegar and salt preserve it well outside the fridge, and cold temp just dull the flavor.